What's the matter, Momo? You look sad today.
I was coughing terribly in my class. I tried to hold my coughs, but I could not. It disturbed everybody. I feel so embarrassed.
Oh, Momo, don't be embarrassed. It's good that you didn't hold your cough.
How can it be good?
You want to know what happens if you hold your cough? Let me explain. Time to Coco dive.
Coughing is not just a habit or a noise the body makes. It is a protective reflex designed to keep the airways clear and the lungs safe. When this reflex is repeatedly suppressed, it can affect the body in several ways. When dust, mucus, smoke, or germs enter the airways, sensors in the throat and lungs immediately detect them. These sensors send signals to the brainstem, which triggers a cough. The cough releases a strong burst of air that helps remove these irritants before they settle deeper into the lungs. When a cough is held in, this cleaning action is interrupted. Mucus and foreign particles remain inside the airways instead of being expelled. Over time, this trapped material can create conditions that allow bacteria and viruses to grow more easily. This risk is higher in people with asthma, chronic lung disease, weakened immunity, or respiratory infections. In such cases, pressing a cough may increase the chance of developing infections such as bronchitis or pneumonia. Inside the lungs, there is an additional cleaning system made of microscopic hair-like structures called cilia. These structures constantly move mucus upward toward the throat so it can be cleared. Coughing works together with cilia to complete this process. When coughing is repeatedly suppressed, mucus clearance becomes less effective. Holding in a strong cough also causes pressure to build up inside the chest and abdomen. This pressure does not disappear on its own. It can lead to symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, facial flushing, or a brief feeling of weakness. In rare cases, very strong or repeated suppression of coughing can increase pressure in small blood vessels of the eyes or face, causing them to rupture. While this is uncommon and usually not dangerous, it shows how powerful coughing pressure can be. In people with certain medical conditions, such as hernias, urinary problems, or recent surgery, sudden pressure changes from suppressing a cough may cause discomfort or complications. This is why doctors often advise patients not to suppress strong coughs during recovery. Coughing is a normal reflex across many species. Dogs, cats, horses, and even large animals like elephants cough when their airways are irritated. This does not mean coughing should be uncontrolled or careless. Covering the mouth, turning away, or stepping aside helps reduce the spread of germs. But completely holding in a cough again and again can interfere with the body's natural defense system. Listening to the body is important. A cough is often a signal that something does not belong in the airways. Allowing the body to clear it can help protect lung health and prevent further problems.
So, little fellas, today you learned about the bad effects of holding cough. See you in the next video. Coco out.